Hello guys, welcome. So welcome to my channel CSC branch 2939. Okay, today I'm going to discuss about the some research like in a project. So actually I am doing my project in machine learning and then deep learning uh, algorithms on the lung cancer data. Okay, so actually I am doing my research in the medical field or health domain. Okay, so actually I'm going to using the lung cancer data. So in the starting time I have a lot of struggle. So where the data actually I have to find. So I struggled a lot. So for example, if I show so many of you, if you want to do any research in using deep learning machine learning, so generally so many of going to TCIA. Okay, this is a website where the data is present like imaging data set. So this is one data set. Okay, this is the data set actually in this data set if we have a lot of confusion, so when we open the website, this is what it is, cancer imaging archive. Okay, so you have to go to the access the data. So there you have to go to the browse collections. Okay, like this you are going to find the data set. Okay, so there are different types of data sets whatever you want. Okay, so brain, lung cancer, kidney, breast cancer, and then liver. Okay, so all those things actually as a fresher, if you use this website, it is very good website actually, but it may give some confusion. So what is the data set I have to use, which data I have to take? So mainly coming to the this imaging data set, the main problem is labeling. So what is a label is we have to, for example, label means, for example, if I take my data set, my project lung cancer, what is the label? For example, if you take a binary classification, the label is 0 or 1. 0 means there is no lung cancer, 1 means there is a lung cancer. That is what binary classification. For example, if you go for a multi-class classification, we have to tell what is the lung cancer the patient have. It is a how many labels? Generally, 5 types of lung cancers are there. So those are the labels. That labels problem is there in the data set. So while doing the research, okay. So what I want to suggest from my experience. So I'll share the links in my under the below in my under the video. So actually, we have to use the Luna 16 dataset. Okay, so this is the one type of a dataset. So generally, what I suggest is uh, there is a problem. If you want to do the research, so even though there is a lot of data sets we are having coming to lung cancer, that is CT scan, that is computed tomography, CT scans, that is abbreviation for the CT scan, and then PET, okay, positron emission tomography, or MRI, MRI scans. So, so generally, what I suggest is even I tried for the PET data for lung cancer and then MRI scans. It is a very difficult. Why? Because there are no labels present for that. Okay, so it takes a lot of time. So as I want to make you simple, so do the research as an initial stage using on the CT scan data, so which have a very good scope. Okay, so which is having a very good scope that may be useful for you. Okay, so lot of researchers, lot of students having some doubt where we have to download the data. So there is a website is there. I will share that links. So you go to that website and download the data. Okay. So this is one link. Okay. So this is one more link. Okay. So this is what it is going to look. Okay. So first of all, you go to this website and download the data. Okay. So actually, what you have to download. You click on the download all. Okay. So in this data set, it is approximately it is 70 GB of data having a CT scans for a lung cancer of different patients. Okay. So in this we are getting a three types of files. One is annotations data. So I'm maximizing the screen. So one is annotations.csv. Second one, that is candidates.csv. So and then it is subset0.zip. So like this you have to download all the data. So in this there is a data for the segmentation data also is there. So always make a note. So without segmentation data it is somewhat very difficult. Okay. So that segmentation data is provided in this website. Okay, along with the annotations, along with the candidates.csv file. Okay. So what is the purpose of this annotations.csv means it is going to have the patients who are having the cancer, exact cancer. Okay. So this may help while testing your project or a machine learning model. This may helpful for you. Okay. So in the candidates.csv, it is having both 0 and 1. It means the patients who are having the cancer, the patients who are doesn't have a cancer. So that is going to contain in the this candidates.csv. So remaining segmentation data is will be in the in this downloads. Okay. So you have to go to this download the data. So where you have to click, so you have to click on the download all. Okay. So click on the download all. So then it is going to having the segmentation data also. Okay. So subset 7, subset 8, subset 9. Okay. So in this it is going to present. Okay. So it means what I want to say, you have to first you have to go to this website, you have to click on the download all. Okay. So actually we have to download this entire annotations, so and then files. This is subset 0 to, I mean approximately it is subset 0 to 6 are there in this. You have to download this. Okay. So entirely you have to download into your hard disk or any laptop. So actually what's my experience is, if you want to do project using Luna 16 dataset for your PhD or your for MTech project or for any BTech project, so you have to always make a note, you have to upload this data into your Google Drive. Okay. So first you have to upload the data into Google Drive. Okay. So again you have to import this data to the Google Colab. Okay. So what I'm saying is, for example, if I want to do the project in the Google Colab, okay, simply assume that. Okay. So what I'm saying is, for example, take any new notebook. Okay. So first of all, what I'm saying is, you have to upload. So you have to upload your data to the Google Drive. So you have to, so this, whatever the data you are downloading from the websites, from these websites, this is one website. Okay, some part of the data, this is one more website, some part of data is there. After downloading your data into the laptop, that is hard disk or any, okay, uh, external memory device, then you have to upload your data into the Google Drive. Okay. So from this drive you have to import into the Google Colab. So at that time only you are able to run your project. Okay. Otherwise you will get some errors. What is the errors means, directly if you upload the data, this data almost 70 GB data into your directly into Google Colab. Okay. So it takes lot of confusion. Means what I want to say. So directly you are taking the data from the hard disk to your Colab. Okay. So you will get some input output error. Why? Because their images, it takes a lot of time to process, to import, to upload, to download. okay na, into the deep learning algorithms or machine learning algorithms while running that algorithms. Okay, so to avoid that errors, what you have to do, first download the data from these two websites, so and then upload into your Google Drive. Okay, then from the Google Drive you connect into the, you import into the Google Colab. That is one way. So the one more way is from your laptop directly upload into the Google Colab. That is one more choice. So I am telling Google Drive is, if you upload the data into Google Drive, that will be permanent. Okay, so that's what I meant. Okay, so always make a note, you have to download the data. The best way is upload the data into the Google Drive, again from Google Drive to import into your Google Colab, then run the whatever the algorithms you want. Okay, that's what my experience. So for example, if you have any query, okay na, I mean how to, where I have to get a code, what is the code which I have to use, what is the procedure to run that to run the program using the data set. So what are different phases? Okay, so what is the step by step process? If you have any query, please leave in the comment. Okay, okay, so I'm giving these two links in my YouTube channel and under the YouTube. So if you want to download, go to websites and download it. It takes, actually if you want to download the data, so the speed of internet must be approximately 10 Mbps speed. Okay, so that it will be very easy. So always one more thing, if you want to run deep learning projects, so that's what I have faced in problem. If you want to learn deep learning projects, it must be that the data speed must be approximately 10 Mbps above. Okay, so that time only your algorithms in the Google Colab is going to run very fastly. Okay, that thing, okay, you have to make a note. If you have any query regarding any CSE projects, please leave me query. I am able to do my best. Okay, thank you for watching my video.